3 weeks ago, it's 2 am. I'm just scrolling. Then my phone lights up. It's my friend. He sends me a photo. He's standing next to his favorite hero. I know it's A, but then something felt off. Like, is this all we are doing with A? Just fake flexing. That thought stuck with me. So at 3 am, I opened my laptop and started searching. That's when I found this girl from Pune. She wasn't making celebrity photos. She was creating AI study posters. Sold 60,000 worth in 1 month. And then another guy earning thousands, making logos and thumbnails. When I thought it's only few. But no. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you 7 ways how students are using AI images. Some are making money, some are going viral. Some are just creating faster than they ever thought possible. Question is, which one are you gonna try first? Let's find out. First, AI photo shoots. Look at your Instagram right now. Scroll through your profile. Does it look normal like everyone else? One selfie from your phone and AI can put you in studio lightings, travel locations, aesthetic setups. Whatever vibe you want. LinkedIn profile, freelance portfolio, intern applications. You need a professional headshot. One photo, 3 different professional versions. Instagram aesthetic, LinkedIn corporate, portfolio creative. You're not just improving your photos, you're controlling your entire online presence. That's personal branding. Control how the world sees you. Second, faceless content pages. If you hate being on camera, this one's perfect for you. Build a meme page, motivation account, horror stories. Whatever niche you want. Never show your face, never use your voice. If you've been wanting to build something online, but the idea of showing your face makes you uncomfortable, this is your path. No face, no voice. Just consistency. Third, turning sketches into professional designs. You sketch it out rough, take a photo, upload it, and AI turns it into an actual professional logo, poster. Alright, that's 3. And number 6, that's where most of the students accidentally make their first online income. First, number 4, product marketing without owning a product. This one sounds wild, but it's real. Let's say you're doing affiliate marketing. You don't have the product. With AI, you generate photos of yourself wearing the watch, holding the gadget, using the product. Studio quality shots, but never touched the actual thing. Sell products you have never touched. Fifth, content testing at scale. This one's for everyone trying to grow a page, a brand, or anything online. Here's what usually happens. You make a post, it flops. You don't know if it was the image, the colors, the vibe. So you try again, but still nothing happens. What if you could test 20 different versions of the same idea in 20 minutes? Test fast, scale what works. Here it is, number 6, print on demand. Passive income without being a designer. You generate designs with AI, upload them to Redbubble, Printful, Etsy. When someone buys them, a platform prints and ships. You can start this tonight. Zero inventory, real income. And 7th, comic books and illustrated stories. This one's my favorite. How many of you have a story you wanted to turn into a comic or ebook, but you can't draw or you can't hire someone? So it just stays in your head, right? Not anymore. You write the story, generate the illustrations panel by panel, and publish it wherever you want. So, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, you still got your story out there. That's worth something. Your stories deserve to exist. Alright, those are 7. 7 real things people are doing right now while you're watching this. These 7 may be the 10% of what actually possible. The rest, that's on you to discover.